twisting marijuana. We do what we wanna, we do what we wanna. We post it up, 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 we post it up. Posting up, rolling up was the thing to do back in the day. Nowadays my life is different, but I still remain the same. You know that I gotta keep it G. Still rolling with the same click, still smoking on the same shit. Am I being fucking struggling? Gotta keep hustling. I do this for my family. Every day's a challenge. The ESB will conquer. Got a hustler mentality ever since a young one. I'm posted with my cousin. He's twisting marijuana. Fast like mafia. Ain't nobody stopping us. KY represent. Shout out to my Mexicans. I hold it down for real, man. Put in work with my best friends. I did it at an early age. So many fucking court dates. My mama's disappointed. I'm feeling kinda hopeless, but all I do is release the smoke and begin to choke. We posted up, we selling drugs, twisting marijuana. We do what we wanna, we do what we wanna. We posted up, 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 we posted up. All I wanna do is blaze while I'm posted with my homies, sipping on them 40s, concentrated on grinding. Selling those my hobby, I do it on the regular. My plug is on the cellular, telling me the work arrived. Time to shine in my avenues. You know what we doing, fool. I'm keeping up with inflation by slanging medication. Posted up in my fucking street. Tell me, do you want beef? You'll get it in a heartbeat. If you test me, you're my enemy. Better keep that in your memory. My homies keeping armory, slanging that Yola. In Spanish, it's coca. I show my haters no love, twisting on that doja. Man, I thought I told ya. Man, I thought I told ya. We posted up, we selling drugs, twisting marijuana. We do what we wanna, we do what we wanna. We posted up, 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 we posted up. Shout out to my homie Beach Boy for the instrumental supply. Yeah, ESB holding it down. FLM.